Hello and welcome. Today's video is about how you can use your phone as a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 controller. Before we begin, like and subscribe if you found the video useful. So, firstly, you need to get the PlayStation Remote Play on your phone. Once you open the app, you will be asked to sign in your PSN account. Later, the app requests you to specify which console user you want to link. It will start establishing a connection. If it fails, it will need to link manually to the console. To get the number of the screen, go to Settings, then click Remote Play Connection Setting and select Add Device. Enter the given code on your phone, and it should start pairing. As soon as you pair the controller, now you can use your phone as an extra controller with your PlayStation. If you like the video, consider liking the video, and so you do not miss anything, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.